Savannah here, and for today's video I'm going to be making 3 quick and easy DIYs for St. Patrick's Day, all from the dollar store. It's super nice that all these materials are very inexpensive and all of my creations turned out so amazing. I know St. Patrick's Day is one of my favorite holidays and I've always wanted to go to Ireland, so making these DIYs just reminds me of that. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And I also have left in the description box some links to my other past St. Patrick's Day video DIY, so if you're interested in that or any St. Patrick's Day videos that I created, I link them down below, so make sure to check that out. And without further ado, let's get started. So for this DIY, I'm going to be taking my wooden shamrock here that I got from the dollar store, and then you will also need some white chalk paint. This is from Walmart, and then I also have some green paint here that is from the dollar store, and then I just have this little paintbrush that I also got from the dollar store as well. And so first I'm going to be taking my green paint and I'm going to be painting the outside of the shamrock a dark green, and then I'm going to be adding my white to paint the inside hearts a lighter green color. I have finished painting my first layer of dark green, and now I'm just going to paint a second layer. I let the first layer dry for just a little bit, and then this coat will just make it the green just a little bit darker, and you'll be able to see less of the wood. So here I have mixed a little bit of white with my green, and then now I'm just going to be mixing this to make a lighter green for the rest of my shamrock. Now I'm going to be taking my lighter green color and then just painting the inside of my shamrock. And it's cute that the inside looks like little hearts for the little clover leaves. And I'm just going to be doing this now. So now I have finished painting my shamrock, and I love the colors of the green. And for the insides, I just needed to paint 1 coat, but for the darker green, I painted 2 coats. And so here is what it looks like. So now that my shamrock has dried, I'm going to be taking my shamrocks here and then just hot gluing them into the light green heart in our shamrocks, just to give it a fun little touch. And I absolutely love how these are sparkly and glittery. Just adds such a fun touch. And now our sign is done, and I love the way it turned out. It's so cute with the little glitter shamrocks, and I love the colors with the different greens. And here's how it turned out. For this next DIY, I have this pot of gold, and it says Lucky, and it's a wooden sign. And then I have 2 packets of these foam scatters, and they just have little shamrocks and then sparkly gold coins. And then I also got some gold coins as well, which I'm going to be hot gluing onto the top. And then of course I have my paints, and I'm also going to be using the light green paint as well. And now I'm going to be painting my sign. I'm going to be painting the pot this light green, and I just love this color. I think it's such a nice light color, perfect for spring that is right around the corner. So now I have finished painting my pot, and I know that I got some paint on the Lucky part, but that's okay because I'm going to be painting a dark green, so you won't be able to see it, but we're going to come back to that soon. And now I'm going to be taking my white chalk paint here, and I am going to be painting the coin part of the pot this white color. So now I'm going to be taking my dark green paint and I'm going to be painting over the lucky letters, and I think the dark green will pop compared with the lighter green, and I'm just going to be painting over it, and you shouldn't be able to see the light green that I accidentally got on these letters. So now I have placed my little coins where I want them to go, and I'm going to be taking my hot glue gun here and then just hot gluing them on, and then I'm going to add some of these other coins as well just to give it a little pop. And I absolutely love the gold finishing on these. I think it just adds such a fun effect to it, and it really gives the illusion that these are gold coins and they're super shiny, which I love. But now I'm just going to be taking my gold coins and then just hot gluing them wherever I feel that needs be, so you don't really see as much of the white. And then just to add a little extra something, I'm going to be taking these mini little glitter shamrocks that came in my package here with the rest of these big, larger coins, and I'm just going to be hot gluing these little mini shamrocks into my pot of gold just to make it just a little more something extra special. So now that everything has basically dried, I'm just going to be going in with a little bit of my white paint, and I am just going to lightly stroke the outsides to kind of give it that woodish look. And that is it for this DIY. I just loved how it turned out. I absolutely love the glitter and the little shamrocks and the coins. I think it's so cute and it just adds such a fun pop to this gold pot here. So for this Tic Tac Toe DIY, I'm going to be using this sign here, and instead of painting the front, which you could, I'm going to be using the back and using this as my Tic Tac Toe board. So I'm going to be taking my dark green paint and painting the inside here. So now that my paint has dried, I have taken my pencil and just outlined the Tic Tac Toe board. So now I'm going to be taking my white chalk paint here, and then I'm just going to be painting over my line. So this is what my Tic Tac Toe board looks like after I have finished putting in my lines. So for my Tic Tac Toe board, I just used the gold coins and then the little shamrocks that came in my other package before, and you can just use these pieces as little X's and O's as you would for a regular Tic Tac Toe board. And I think this is such a cute idea, and it was super easy to make. It didn't take that long, and it's just a fun game to play. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below, and I would love to see your recreations, so let me know how it goes in the comments down below, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye!